Welcome back. Now we're looking at comments and different type of functions, or let me say a particular type of function, and we'll utilize it inside the main function, and we'll call out basically sentences in a particular order and see how it is used. So let's start with a comment. Let's say you want a comment that will carry on into the next line. So for example, you have to press / and you have 2 stars inside and a / so you can just write anything you want to write and just use the tab. Let's learn C++. So we move on today, for example. So if you want to utilize comments onto the next line, you can utilize the / star and the star / and in between you have those sentences. So this is a 1-line comment which you can write: "Hi, we programming." So that's a four slashes and only for a certain line. So let's start by firstly defining the functions. So we'll have line, and we'll have have to have these. So these are the functions that we'll be utilizing, that we're defining. So I'll later explain why we wrote void when you move on to functions and explain about functions. So let's say the line, also define the function below. So we have these brackets and cout. Let's just say we have something like this. It's something like this. And the line. So this basically says you'll skip a line. After this line, the cursor will move on to the next program. So now we have void message. And we'll have another message. So this is basically the message that we have. And we have this message, we have these, we can utilize it up here and call the functions that are below in order to see in which order. And let's say we have a message in, so we have, let's say we have a sentence that starts by starts out in the main function. Wait, say we have that, and to end the line. So you can also call the other functions. And message and line again. So let's see if everything is going according to order. Yes. So we have start in the main function made, and then we call this line, then we call the message function to give us this message, and then the line will go here. So let's run it and see what it will give us. Start in the main function made. We're learning programming today, so it's in the order that we wanted it to be. So you can also manipulate functions in this way. Thank you. See you next time.